What up, YouTube? This is 34 Skyline. Today, I bought me a gift for myself for Christmas. The last time I bought an iPad was 12 years ago. Ever since then, I never bought an iPad again. But today, I think I needed an iPad. I need something for the room that is light. I don't like carrying my laptop back and forth to the loft and to my room. So it's a hassle taking it back and forth, back and forth. So I just need something for the room. So I bought me a iPad M4 iPad Pro with a Pencil Pro along with it. So here's the Pencil Pro iPad itself. Side, other side. This is a 1 terabyte version, and it is standard. And also, this is Wi-Fi only, because I'm not taking it out of the house. It's just going to be for the room. So it's only Wi-Fi only. But yeah, so it's been a few years since I had one. Okay, open it up here. And open it here. Wow, this thing's huge. I did get it in the same color as my MacBook Pro, M3 MacBook Pro in space black. I'm gonna set this aside. You get designed by Apple in California. Get your cable and your charger. Surprised they don't put this in black yet. And that's about it. And now let's get into the Pencil Pro. Designed by Apple in California. And take this off. Pencil Pro. Feels sturdy in the hand. Into unboxing of the iPad itself. Yeah, I like this color. I'm glad I got this color. Yeah, that's the iPad Pro. 13-inch, 1 terabyte, M4. And that's the bottom part. Top. Side. And then hopefully this is MagSafe, so I can put my charger, MagSafe charger on here, but I don't know. That's the iPad. This is a side-by-side comparison. This is both space black, but the iPad is a little bit lighter than the MacBook Pro, but they're both is space black.